Throw this in with your curtains, and they'll be whiter than ever before. It's the most effective method. Curtains quickly collect dust, dirt settles on them, and they lose their bright color. Just wash them as usual, but with a few simple additions. You only need 2 things. Put the curtains into the washing machine and add an aspirin tablet. Aspirin breaks down residue, refreshes the fabric, and helps it regain its lightness and softness. Close the drum and open the detergent drawer. Now, grab some baking powder and pour it into the detergent compartment. It works like a natural whitener and removes the grayish tint that builds up over time. Into the fabric softener compartment, add white fabric softener. This will make your curtains not only fresh and soft, but also keep their snowy white color for longer. Set the washer to the hand wash program at 85 degrees Fahrenheit and start it. Once the cycle is done, you'll see the difference. The curtains will be clean, fresh, and brilliantly white again. It only takes a moment. Enjoy your beautiful curtains. A simple trick, with results like they're brand new. Add this one ingredient, and your curtains will regain their snow-white brightness without the need for expensive bleaches. Prepare a large plastic bowl and add 3 generous tablespoons of baking soda, which effectively removes stains and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then add 2 tablespoons of white powder, my grandmother's secret, which enhances the cleaning effect and helps brighten fabrics. Now squeeze the juice from half a lemon, as it naturally whitens and refreshes the fabric. Add a little vinegar, which helps dissolve residues and restores freshness to the fabric. Pour in warm, boiled water and mix everything thoroughly until it dissolves. Then, place your gray curtains in the mixture and leave them for a while so the ingredients can work. After that, rinse them thoroughly and wash them as usual. The result is perfectly clean, bright curtains. My grandmother's secret ingredient is salt, which, combined with these natural ingredients, provides an excellent curtain whitening effect without using harsh chemicals. This is a natural way to whiten curtains, which works effectively and safely. Get rid of yellow stains in just a few seconds. Yellow stains on your blouse can be quite troublesome and hard to remove, especially when they've deeply penetrated the fabric. Often, traditional cleaning products aren't enough, so it's helpful to know an effective method. Take a larger glass bowl and prepare hydrogen peroxide, which has bleaching properties that will help effectively remove the stains. Add a little to the bowl. Then add vinegar, which is an ideal ingredient for whitening clothes at home. It works as a stain remover and helps dissolve any remaining dirt. The final key ingredient is dish soap, whose cleaning properties make it effective at removing stains without damaging the fabric. Add some dish soap. Lastly, pour in warm water and mix everything together so the ingredients combine. Finally, place the stained item into the bowl. If the stain is more stubborn, leave it for a moment. Scrub the stain against the fabric thoroughly, then rinse. If you're wondering how to get rid of yellow stains, this method is perfect. Your blouse will be snow white and look as good as new. It gets the dirt out of your socks better than any bleach. No fancy detergent pod from a commercial will whiten your socks like this old-school trick from Grandma. White socks lose their brightness fast. Stains and dirt build up, and nothing seems to help. But I've got a method that really works. Grab a large glass container and toss in your dirty socks. Add a tablespoon of salt. It acts as a natural whitener and softens the water to boost cleaning power. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda to fight odors and help lift stains. Pour in some dish soap to break down grease and work as a gentle degreaser. Sprinkle everything with citric acid, which naturally brightens and boosts the effect of the baking soda. Finally, pour in hot water. Watch the mixture fizz. That's when the ingredients start penetrating the fabric and breaking down the grime. Stir it all with a wooden spoon and let the socks soak for a few minutes. Then toss them into the washer with your white laundry and run a gentle cycle. Take them out and see the results. Clean, fresh, and bright white, like brand new. No scrubbing, no expensive bleach. Try this trick and say goodbye to dingy gray socks forever. Add this ingredient to your laundry and the results will exceed your expectations. That snowy white look you've been dreaming of is closer than you think. This simple trick will bring your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels back to life. No need for special detergents or bleach. All you need is a common kitchen spice. It acts as a natural abrasive, helping remove detergent buildup and residue that can dull white fabrics over time. The best part? It won't react with your detergent or leave stains. Instead, your clothes will look newer for longer and feel softer to the touch. Just add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the drum with your laundry on your next wash. Start the program as usual and let the pepper do its job. After washing, you'll notice everything looks visibly whiter and fresher. Use this trick regularly for towels, bedding, or other light fabrics. You'll be surprised how much better it works than many expensive store-bought products. Wash your socks in the microwave. This method was shown to me by my mother-in-law, and since then, I never struggle with dirty socks anymore. Very few people know about it, and nothing has ever cleaned my socks this well. Start by preparing a plastic bag and placing a dirty pair of socks inside. Add a little water, then take a regular bar of soap and rub it thoroughly into each sock, making sure you do not miss any spot. Tie the bag, leaving some air inside. This is very important. Put the bag into the microwave and set it for 4 minutes on high. The high temperature combined with steam and simple soap loosens dirt, lifts dried residue, and cleans the fibers much more thoroughly than hand washing. When the time is up, carefully remove the bag and rinse the socks in the sink. Once dry, they look as if they were just bought. It is a simple and natural method that requires no additional detergents. This is the secret hotels use to keep their mattresses perfectly clean. Since I discovered this trick, my mattress has stayed spotless, disinfected, and smelling fresh. In a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. It's well known for its disinfecting and antibacterial properties, removing microbes while neutralizing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. This helps dissolve dirt and makes cleaning more effective. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt has antibacterial and antifungal properties, absorbs moisture, and eliminates bad smells. The next ingredient is baking soda, a natural deodorizer that absorbs moisture while gently cleaning and refreshing. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water and mix well. Take a clean towel, soak it in the mixture, and squeeze out the excess liquid. Place the slightly damp towel on the mattress. Wrap a hairdryer with the towel and use it only on low power, always making sure the fabric is damp, not wet. This method deeply cleans the mattress, removes bacteria, freshens it up, and restores a pleasant scent. Give this simple trick a try.